to the forecast for today, and today I am bearish on Euro USD. As you can see, if you're in the community, I teach something called the invalidation, and basically we have closed below it. So now that we have closed below it, I am looking for sells in the short term. So pretty much on the hour, in terms of areas of interest, we have a nice hourly fair value gap right there to tap into. So we can label that right there, an hour FEG. And on the 15, we can probably see, yeah, there you go. There's a 15-minute swing high. So liquidity right there. So we have all these areas of interest, but we do have news at 2:45 a.m. So that is interfering with my London kill zone. So I'm not taking a trade. Strictly what I've seen from my back testing is news when it's mixing with the kill zone is just low probability. So I'm not going to be taking that. Then there is also news at 8 o'clock and I believe 8:15, but I only look around 9 for my New York setup. So I'll be looking then for a sell as long as we are above the opening price. So pretty much I'm seeing London might do something like that. Then we come into this news time, sweep the London highs, get a nice entry model OTE, and then a push down. So that is my overall bias, my plan for today. Let's see what happens, what materializes. Then tomorrow, I believe there is only New York session because there's also news at 5 a.m. tomorrow. So I'll be looking for trades around 10. So that's only an hour gap, 10 to 11 for Friday. And yeah, that's the week done pretty much. So that is the forecast, and happy trading. Stay safe.